easy breezy air fried salmon, and we also sauteed some green beans with shallot and garlic to make the dinner complete. Hi guys, today we're staying in and cooking dinner. So today I'm going to make a quick and easy air fry salmon. So we started with 2 tablespoons of brown sugar in the bowl. Now this is 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar, 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, and 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. And that's basically it. Now we're going to whisk all these ingredients together. Okay, at this point I've patted my salmon dry. I've sprinkled it with a little salt and pepper, and now I'm gonna brush on the glaze. Let me know in the comments if you come across a better glaze or you think I should add something else. And we're just gonna air fry it for 10 minutes at 400 degrees. It came out nice and golden and beautiful. Let's eat. I'll plate this up right now.
Or let's give this a try. So good. Good, sweet, moist salmon.
And there you have it, easy breezy air fried salmon. And we also sauteed some green beans with shallot and garlic to make the dinner complete.